Welcome to our tutorial on managing affiliate partnerships and shared platforms in Logistify. Today, we'll show you how to partner in affiliates, manage subcontractors, and share jobs seamlessly. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about how to partner in affiliates. Start by opening the main dashboard and clicking on Affiliate at the top. In the search box, enter the company name. If it's available in the system, it will show up on the table list with details like company name, operation center, and options to invite to receive or send work. On both invite tables, you can click the invite icon, which will show a personalized message. If everything looks good, click OK Proceed. This successfully sends an invite, and the updated version will appear on the table alongside all other companies that need to receive or send an invite. You can repeat the same steps for any other companies you want to partner with. If you want to send an invitation manually, click on the green box labeled Invite Manually, enter the subscriber ID, select whether you want to receive work or send work to them, and then click Submit. The receiving company will see the invites at their affiliate table, showing details like the operation center and address. They have the option to decline or accept the jobs. Once accepted, it will show as already partner on both the sender's and receiver's affiliate tables. Next, go to the main dashboard, click on Drivers at the top, and choose Subcontractor. Your affiliate partner will appear in the driver list with an indicator that they are an affiliate. Clicking on it will show the company details. You can also find the company details by clicking on Clients at the top and selecting Subcontractor. This option is available for added affiliate partners as well. Now, let's move on to sharing a job with an affiliate partner. Find the partner on the Booking Summary dashboard and click on Bid Share under the Drivers column. In the pop-up, go to the Shared Platform, select the region, national or international, and then select Partners. Choose whether to auto-approve once accepted or manually approve once accepted, then click on Share Booking. Select the option Share to all subscribers to send the shared job notification to all affiliate subscribers. The sharing details will appear on the table, showing the date and time of sharing. On the receiver's dashboard, the notification will appear in the notifications. Clicking on Shared Platform will display a table with job details. Scroll down to find the recent job, check all the details, and if everything is correct, click View to accept. Double-check the details and if satisfied, click I wish to accept the booking. Then, assign the driver by entering the details and clicking Assign. As you can see, there is two booking ID generated. One is PR, which is main job ID, and the another SCL for shared job. Or you can assign the driver by entering the details from dashboard. If you want to cancel it, just click on Cancel button. A window will pop up. Select to whom you want to send confirmation message and enter the details. And that's it. You've successfully managed affiliate partnerships and shared platforms in Logistifie. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you next time.